Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my Create With Me subscription kit for October. This kit this month that we're using uses the Gathering Moments bundle, which I love this bundle. It's one of the online exclusives, and it was really fun to produce these cards for this month. So this month we get 5 different cards. You get to make 2 of each, so 10 cards with envelopes. I'm going to show you what comes in the kit, and then I'll show you a little preview of the actual cards. And if you are interested, I'll put the information down below for where you can subscribe to get the kit or learn more about it. And if you have questions, feel free to contact me. You can always email me or give me a buzz. My website is right there on the screen, and all my information is up there. So if you haven't already done so, you might want to sign up for my newsletter. That's where I send out all the information about all the card classes kits that I'm doing. So let me flip my camera and I will show you. So the Gathering Moments stamp set is this one here. I love it. It's something about the look of these stamps. I just really loved them, and I had fun doing some techniques with them. And I'll talk about that in a minute. And then the bundle, or the dies, are these here. This is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, so you know how big these dies are. And what you get is you get all of these dies to cut out the images. You can see you actually get 2 to cut out the berries. You get 2 dies. The leaves, but then you also get the inside of the leaves if you want to do stitching. So that's what those lines are for, is the stitching on the leaves. All right, so let me put that aside. Let's look at the paper, because that is like the highlight of this kit. I love this paper. I'm hoping you can see the gold in there. In your kit, you'll get 12 by 12 sheets. You get a half a pack of the Designer Series paper. You get full 12 by 12 sheets. Can you see the gold in there? So one side has gold, and then one side's very neutral. So pretty. I love this plaid. And then there's this plaid, and this has the gold on the back. And then these leaves. And so that is the paper that comes with your kit. Your kit will also include a package of the linen thread in the Old Olive and the Early Espresso, and a half a package of these Cajun Craze and gold dots. So that's kind of cool. You'll get a sponge dauber, because we're going to do a little technique with that, and a blender pen, because we're going to do some technique with that, and I want you to have it. Alrighty, so that's what comes in your kit, plus all the card supplies. And then some of the things that you will need, not only the bundle, if you want to do them just like I did, but most of my kits you could do with what you have. It's up to you. I use this embossing folder, which I don't have the name on it. I got to put the name on that so I know what it is. I used 5 different colors of ink this month. Pecan pie, crushed curry, Old Olive, Cajun Craze, and espresso. All right, so let me show you the cards and the envelopes that I made. Look at these envelopes. They're so pretty. Really pretty. So there is, I still need to do the inside of this card, but there is that card. I love this card. I don't know. I did a couple of fun folds. So again, with the envelope, this one's so pretty. You can see a technique here done with the sponge dauber. This one here, I love this envelope, and it was so plain on the front that I added a little stamping on the front too. But I love the colors in this. Very nice cards, I think. I love them. I love everything about them. This one uses that textured embossing folder. And then this one too also uses the textured embossing folder. So those are the cards for the month of October. Sign-ups for this kit are beginning now till October 15th. I will send out a list of supplies that you will need if you're part of the Create With Me subscription. And then you can decide if you want to place an order for them. I do offer free shipping on any products that you order above and beyond your kit, because I'm going to pack them all up in the same package anyway and send them to you. What else? Oh, I do have a link now that if you just want to try 1 month out and see what it's like, you can do that. That'll be on my website, where you can just click for the 1 month. It won't be a subscription. And I hope that's all. This will be a fun kit. So when you get your kit, you get a packet of supplies. I send you an email with a link to the PDFs for all of the projects that I made. And then I also send you, in that same thing, a video of me actually making the projects and walking you through lots of tips and tricks and what to do for your projects. So hopefully you've seen that. Check it out. It's really fun and I love it. And I will speak with you soon. Thanks.